Hello everyone, my name is Utsav Basu. My roll number is 20CS30057. For this week's DIY project, I have made three parts which I would like to show. The first one is this twisted vase. To make this, I first used four sketches, which are basically triangles of different orientation and at different heights. Then I have used the additive lock feature to join the triangles using a smooth surface. Finally, I have added a thickness of 2 millimeters, as you can see here, to give this shape the look of a nice vase. Finally, I have exported this to an STL file from this file export to this. For the second one, I have made a pen stand. To do this, I have used the pad feature twice, once to make this base and second to make the wall of this pen stand. Then I have added a cube here. I have added a fillet to its edges to give this a round shape, and then I have used two arrays of this rectangular object and then use the cut feature, the boolean operation, to make this holes on its walls. Finally, I have exported it to an STL file, which is this. Finally, I have made this walls. To do this, I have drawn a sketch like this and then used the revolution feature to make a solid object like this. Then I have added a thickness to this to give it a vase-like feature. After that, as you can see, I've added a fillet that is, I've rounded the edges of this vase to give it a little more realistic effect. After that, I've exported it to an STL file, as you can see here. Thank you very much. That is all.